he knew what his skill was. He loves cooking, but he have not got the ample opportunity to make use of it, right? So from that's where this concept has really come up, that there are people who know what their skill is, but they are not able to utilize it, right? And so that's where what's really skill comes into picture. आपकी हुनर आपकी पहचान. We believe that a skill can become a skill if you get a platform to showcase it. Because we every time say कि इंडिया में skill बहुत है, but दिखाने की opportunity नहीं है, right? So that's where we pitch in. We say that here is a platform जहाँ पे आप अपनी skill को दिखा सकते हैं और आप उसे earn कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, skill will just like be a hobby. For example, अंकित की now hobby is to cook, right? But who knew? अगर उसको यही WhatsApp skill की platform might be 10 years पहले मिली होती, he could have appreciated, he could have knew that yes, he can make a living out of it, and he could have made a big career out of that. So that's where WhatsApp skill is. So WhatsApp skill is an online platform where we conduct different kinds of competitions, through which we give names and recognitions to people, and also apart from that, we give them ample opportunity to get in connect with the people who needs it. Just to give you a background, that we are running with a competition of logo designing. So there is a company called United Sports Academy. So who wants their logo to be designed by us, and we are doing it by a cloud designing concept. Now after designing that, so they have come up and said कि यार मुझे पुणे में एक बंदे चाहिए जो मेरा लोगो खाली डिजाइन नहीं करे बट मैं मार्केटिंग भी कर पाए. So a guy who have done a good logo, जिसके peer review अच्छे हैं, because WhatsApp skill give you opportunity to learn from your peers, understand that what more can be done and all those. So after understanding that, we have suggested him 1 or 2 names that this person you can look into who can really help in making your company big. Right? Taking it forward, our team includes Nitin Kedia. I have worked with Britannia, Flipkart, J&J. Then there is called CA Rohit Kedia. Again, he is not my brother. We are friends, right? There is a new joinee, Nana, who is working with SAIL. Our technological innovator or co-founder is Om Sharma. Ankit, who looks after our compliances. So as soon compliances going on, I was asking him, भाई अपना तो सब कुछ ठीक है ना, right? And we have Mohit, who is a Limca book record holder, right? And Abhishek Gupta, who have worked with companies like KPMG and Capgemini. Regarding our competitions and everything, I would request Mohit to take it forward.
So, good afternoon, guys. So, before you continue, I should have done this before we started, but I hate to interrupt. Actually, the point of having lightning pitches is so that the startups who are coming in here to put in to present their lightning pitches, they
with our very first competition, which was drawing competition, which we started in last year April, and this is our one year of we are celebrating the month of we started. And after drawing, we came up with photography competition, which we named as Click India Photography Competition, which is a brand in itself, because the design of the entire competition was that we conducted online round where people used to upload their photographies in our website, and after that we had few reputed judges in our platform who judged their photos, and they shortlisted 10 people, and we took them the 10 people to Uttarakhand for the live round, and we had a good association with Uttarakhand Tourism Ministry. And our goodness that Uttarakhand Minister had liked that photos which the photographer clicked on live round, and they thought to use it for 2016 year calendar. Few photographs which our photographer took, they are using, and with that association with Uttarakhand government, we hosted 2 more photographies competition specially for Uttarakhand government. After that, we came up with very funky type of competition, which is selfie competition, where we named as Crazy Me Selfie Competition. The entire competition was something where we also attempted to break Limca Book of Record, where we have more than 1,25,000 selfies in one single platform, where we attempted for Limca Book of Record. The approval is still awaited from their end, but other record companies like Guinness World Record have approved our record. So I can proudly say that we are holding a world record in our hand. And currently now the current competition which is going is named as Swag. Swag is India's first logo redesigning competition. How the entire concept is in a bit I would like to tell you. We got 15 startup companies and 5 NGOs who are interested to redesign their logo. We approached them and the competition started off 2 months ago on February 20th. And any designer, anyone who wants to design, who is into designing field, he can come to our website, he can have a look of that 15 companies and that 5 NGOs and he can redesign their logos. And I am glad to inform you who are the 5 NGOs. Mard NGO by actor Farhan, and Akshay Patra. Akshay Patra, I am sure you guys have, it is India's top renowned NGO, and other as the time is shorting out, and we have other more good NGO with us, and we have India's biggest and well-known person to judge this entire competition, Mr. Piyush Pandey, Padma Shri awardee, who is also known as Ad Guru of India. So something like this we are coming up, and other than that we have also started a kind of service using this logo designer with us, that if anyone wants logo for their brand, they can come to us, they can host their own competition in our website by giving their date from start date and end date and having their own prize money, what they want to give to the winner. So this is what the entire thing we are currently doing. And I would like to introduce Ankit for some brand which we were associated.
So, hi guys, the brand which are associated till now with us is like Faber-Castell for our drawing competition. Apart from that, we have 93.5 Red FM, 91.9 Red FM, this one Friends FM. Then we have Rupa.com in our this one logo competition. We have very big brand, that is Uttarakhand Simply Haven Tourism Ministry. They have a long-term association with us, like 1 year association with us, for every month photography competition. So we are organizing every month photography competition on our platform, and the winner of the online round, we take them to Uttarakhand to perform live, and for this competition every expense is bear by Uttarakhand Tourism Ministry.
So what is the advantage the Uttarakhand Ministry setting?
Can we take question and answer after the complete?
Apart from this, you can see Home Stop is there, Travel Khana is there, Future Forward is there, Faber-Castell. So there are more than 40 brands which are already associated with us till date, and we are not even 1 year old company.
Yeah, and in just to add to what Ankit was saying, in 1 year we have around more than 25,000 registered, 32,000 plus registered users in 1 year, and it's growing at pretty fast.
And one thing I want to add is, like, we have dedicated user, like we have more than 5,000 photographers with us, 3,000 plus artists with us, 1,500 plus this one graphic designer with us, and there are lots more. So due to this competition, we are getting this.
Thank you. So, would be happy to take questions.
So basically, you were saying that you have so much amount of data and everything. So what kind of data and analytics are you using, and what kind of CRM are you using to boost your company?
So,
what is your digital presence?
So as of now, we are not getting into stuff as data processing, data mining, and understanding what users we want to have out of it. So we have not yet thought about it, but we have users, we know designers, we know where they are from, what their strength is from the peers review. So if a company calls up and asks that this specific thing we need, we definitely help them in doing
So
that.
what kind of CRM do you use to relate to your clients, customers? Like he said you have 5,000 photographers, 3,000 artists. So this is quite a database. So how do you relate with the customer relationship manager?
So as of now, we are doing it completely manual. Like,
Okay.
there is no software or something like that. Data analytics, we don't have any digital background around it.
And what is the revenue and profit model? I didn't really get that.
Is it only based on the sponsorships
No.
that you're getting and the brand
No.
associations?
No. So there are the brands who are associated. Definitely, that is one way of revenue. Second, for Uttarakhand government, if we are hosting a long-term contract, so they are paying us right, for hosting competition and everything, and even for logo designing, whoever company, yeah. So 15 companies, whoever have come up, they have paid us an amount. With NGOs, we have not taken any amount, and definitely we are looking at space for them. The concept was Mohit was explaining that if a particular company wants to design their logo, they can come here. That a competition will be launched on their behalf. So we will charge money from them. So those all are the revenue stream.
How do you judge between the logos?
Last question.
Like, there may be 1,000 logos, 1,000 intents. Who have the expertise that this logo will suffice to this kind of company?
So there are multiple ways of doing it. Definitely a company's feedback would be taken, because if it's my company, I know what exactly I am looking for. Then, as Mohit have informed you, that for logo designing we have Piyush Pandey as one of the judges, right? So there are
One day will judge.
yeah, Piyush Pandey will judge. Is judging, right? So Piyush Pandey is one of the judge out of 5.
Out of 5. Oliver and Matthew ONL,
So whatever
India.
the logo Piyush Pandey finds, the best the company has to use that logo.
No, not necessarily, not necessarily. So definitely the final call will be of company, right? Because they know what exactly they are looking for, right?
But how does it go with the trademark violations? Then in case, say, if I want to redesign red, red sand, or they might be having a payment, so.
Can we take that offline?
Yeah, sure.
So we have limited time, so we can't take too many questions. But no,
One question that you said that for me, skill that you're saying, it's
Dipanjan.
quite limited actually.
Let's take that offline. We can have a limited set of questions because eventually, we need to
There will be other
wrap it
speakers
up
also.
within a certain
Yeah.
amount of time. So, thanks a